Holly, it's your song.
You're awful cute, Pumpkin. Car. Yep. You gonna finish the book? Finish reading the book to Grammy.
Yep.
And that's the story of the bunnies and the Peter Rabbit. He's the Easter Bunny.